Introducing Dermadry. It comes with a full instruction manual and a very easy travel container.
So the first thing we're going to do is place these two metal plates, they're called electrodes, and we're going to place them inside each container.
Then we're going to plug in the cables to the metal plates and turn it on using the controller.
Now, when we first started doing the treatment, we did it 4 times a week until we felt it really working, and then we switched it up to once or twice a week.
Then we're going to place the towels down in each container and pour 17 milliliters of unfiltered water into each tray.
And for our feet, I'm going to set it to the max setting, which is 25, and do that for 20 minutes.
And then we sit, we chill, we do our treatment, and that's it.
We normally watch TV when we do this, and it's super quick. And for our hands, we're going to set it to the highest setting and do it for 20 minutes. And it works amazingly to stop our hands and feet from sweating excessively.
Thanks, Dermadry.